Hi everyone, welcome to the Fura Tech. I hope you are all doing great. Today's tutorial is all about how you can use Google Analytic 4 to create an account and how you can add a property on Google Analytic 4. So in today's tutorial, I will walk you through the process of creating an account on Google Analytic and how you can add a new property. So all the process I will walk through. This is essential for tracking and analyzing the performance of different websites and apps. So to open an account on Google Analytic, you need to sign in Google Analytic, www.googleanalytic.com. You can use Gmail account to create one, and it's free to use for your website or apps, so you can track your analytic performance through the Google Analytic. So when you are signed into the Google Analytic account, then that they will bring you here, like I'm on my dashboard. So this is my home page. So now I have a couple of accounts here. So some account is active, some account I don't use, I just create for other reason. So I want to use a new account, new property for this tutorial. So I'm going to use, the name would be Tech Solution. So to add a new property on Google Analytic 4, you need to go from your dashboard, the admin here. So just click on admin, then create the plus button here or drop down menu here. So if you want to create a different account, you can create here, but I'm just adding the property for this tutorial, so I'm just click property. Now I need to fill out those all details, so property details. So I said I'm going to use tech solution. Don't worry about this. If you want to delete the property, you can delete anytime from your account. So I'm just using this one for like this tutorial, so I will be deleting later on. And then you need to create choose the country, so where you creating from. So I am based in Ireland, so I'm choosing Ireland here. Yep. And then currency, so here the currency is a euro, wherever you are from, so you can choose those currency rate. Then next, then you need to give the details for your business, so how big there. So if it is very, very large, so there is all different options. I just put the small, 1 to 10 employees, and then you need to select the industry, so what industry is for. So my one is business, so you can choose the category and then choose your business objective, so you can choose which one is best for your business, but I'm just putting get baseline report for this tutorial. And then create is already create the link for me, and then I need to choose the platform. So what platform I'm going to use, so you can choose any of them. I'm using web, and then I need to put my website URL. So the example is on the top, so you can www.tzs It's text solution .com or .ie or whatever the link for your website. Just you can paste the homepage link and paste it here, and then stream name. So what do you want to be? So I just put same TECS text solution. Okay, so that will be pop up for you, and then just create and continue. So is the data already created? Now the Google already create the tag for my website. So it's IP address. So I need to copy this. This is like a tracking ID. So for your website. So if you can see on here, so you can install manually, but here is the link. So here's the code. So you need to copy this code, and if you are using the WordPress or website for your website builder, so you just need to go to the there and paste this tracking ID, and then that will be on your header or footer section. So you can copy from here, or you can just highlight and copy like that. Then you go to your WordPress site, or what site you are using to build your website. Go there and then paste this tracking code on header and footer, and that will install automatically onto your website. Then it will take a while. So here is the details. So you can view the tags here, with the tag details here. You can click like install manually. So if something is coming up here, all the details, stream URL ID, and then measurement ID. So is all is your for your you add this property. So this is all details for your property. So then when couple of minutes, or maybe it takes while, because what browser you are using depend on your browsers. So the tracking ID will be installed successfully on your WordPress site. I'm not using the WordPress now, so I can show you like if it's successful or not. So you can try, and it's if your website link is valid, it's definitely work for you. And then we'll show you on your Google Analytic your tracking ID is successfully added to your WordPress site and on your website. Then in 24 hours you can view, and then you are ready to track your client, who, the visitors, who is visiting and where they're from, and country, and all the things. It's really important for you to use the Google Analytics, so you can manage all visitors information for in the future, or for your, like if you are working under some company, so it's you can show them, so and they can increase their visitors, so people can leave their comments or whatever where they need to be improved. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope this is helpful for you, and if you like this video, and if this is helpful for you, please do subscribe and stay with me, and I will see you in next video. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.